Hello friends, welcome back to my famous, creative, innovative, popular and unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on Python. New day, new ideas, new video. So today we are going to see socket programming using Python in different manner. I have done one video on socket programming using Python last 3 years back, but this video is something different from the previous video. So let us go through the presentation first. What is socket programming? Socket programming Python. Socket programming is a popular topic in computer science, refer to the way in which devices communicate with each other in a network. It is important to learn socket programming because most major applications that we use daily like chat application, games, etc. work using this programming. There are mainly two types of socket programming: stream socket, that is TCP, that we are going to see today, and datagram socket is UDP. So socket is to create the socket. We use this command. Firstly, we write the code of server. Now socket is ready. We need to assign the IP address or port, and then client send request to connect to the server. Function listen, send, receive are used. Since we are running on localhost, which is typically 127 localhost, and allocate random port, typically 8080 is good choice. Next, we need to receive. Make sure that any application is not using this 8080 port currently. So now we go through the program. In program also I have explained with the command what is which each command about. So we need to create the socket. So then serve is equal to socket. Then this command create the socket. Then since we are running on the local machine, the IP address is 127.0.1. Then port number 80, random port is taken, but most probably 8080 is taken. Whenever I do settings in lab using machines of Apache Tomcat, I usually use this port 8080. So I taken this port 80 because I use mainly for Apache Tomcat setting Java that. Then bind IP address and port to the socket. Since we are binding IP address and port to socket. Then serve listen 1. I am server listening to port 0. So it tells that listening to the server port 8080 port. Then we need to receive the connection from the client and send message back. So we need to receive the connection from the client and send message back. This is message sent back, that is hello, I am server. And encoding and decoding is done. You most probably know why encoding and decoding is done, because we want the connection to be secured. That's why we use encoding. Now we will go through client part. Similar part. We need to create socket. We need to bind the port, client port bind. Then we need to encode the data from the client, hello I am client, then decode the data and then display the data, and then close the connection. Now I will execute the program. Yes, I am server, I am listening to port 8080. Now I will execute the program of client. Received from the server, hello I am server. Yes, we can say that connection is established with A, and here received from the server from the. So I successfully done with socket programming using Python, using stream socket TCP. We will see later on our upcoming videos what is datagram socket programming. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back with more creative videos on Python, because I told many times on my channel that I will be back with more creative videos on Python. So I decided why not do video in Python. I will be back with more videos on Flask, Python, then Streamline, machine learning, React.js, Node.js, if possible cloud. Thanks for watching.